Hey, welcome back. So this is my entire workflow for advanced AI product photography. What we will do in this workflow, I will tell you later. Let's first sort out what this step contain. Okay, first in the first step, you have to get your products from Google or from the your Shopify store or e-commerce store. In the second step, you have to extract the URL from the images. In the third step, you have to upload the images in the server. Why this step is necessary, I will explain in the workflow. Then you have to analyze the image, then you have to generate the prompts, then you have to transform through Gemini Flash 2.0, then you have to extract the images, and then you can upload on the drive. And in the last step, you can auto upload on your website by using the node webhook or any other node, or you can upload on Google. It's up to you. So let's come to our workflow. This is our workflow, and if we will start by the let's run it once, so it will start running. It will take a little bit, I think so, 30 to 40 seconds, and then once we will complete this workflow, and then you will see what kind of products we have made. Let me show you the products that I have download, so that it will be easy for you. Please stick to the channel and subscribe, because this channel I will show you, I will teach you how to learn and how to create these advanced AI agents. Okay, so let's get back to our workflow. Oh, it's completed. So this is the workflow. This is the trigger node, and you can set the trigger node. It's up to you. You can select it whenever you want. This is the workflow. This is the worksheet that I have connected with this workflow. In this worksheet, you will see that I have downloaded these three images from the Google. And let me show you the image. This is the necklace. The another one is Ray-Ban glasses, and the third one is, I think so, it's a perfume bottle. Okay, so this is the perfume bottle, this is the glasses, and this is the necklace. So what we will do, we will connect the credentials. As you know that you will have to connect the credentials with your Google account, and then you can select the sheet, then you can select the rows, the silos, and from the list you have to select your advanced AI product photography, because I have kept the name of advanced AI for product photography. And then you can test when I have tested this step, it execute all the URL it contains. It show me that your sheet contain these three URLs. So here we are done with this step. Let's go to the next step. This is the edit field, and what this node will do, it will organize your URL. It will organize URL. It will separate your URL from the image. Okay, so what we have done, this is the product image URL, and then when we will run this setup, it will extract the URL from the images. Okay, so this field is important to organize your data. In the third node, what we will do, we will see what kind of images do we have. So here, the input node, we have set the get method, because we have to get those pictures, and we have to insert the json dot input dot image URL. From there you can do that. From here you can use your this input image, and once you will see the three links here, you will put this JSON format here, and then you will see your three products here. See, the three products will came over there. Okay, so now you have this images are separated from the URL, and you have the images in your N8 and workflow. So what you will do in the next step, you have to send those images to the Google server. Okay, so this is the input. What you will do, it's posting, so you have to the post, you have to use the Gemini 2.0 flash API key. For your API key, I have deleted this, and this will be the link. This all links will be given in the description. If you want to do it, you can just comment it, and I will send you all these links. These are the four settings that you will have to upload on the on this node. And where I do get it, I got this. Let me show you here. if you will create the product from the image, if you will create any image from this Gemini Flash, this all the information contained here. See the get code, and it's all information coming in. This is the URL. Okay, this is the first one. This is the URL. This is your four headers command that you have to use. This is the key, and this is the value. Okay, this is the key, and this is the value. In the next one, this is the key, this is the value. In the third one, this is the key, this is the value. Okay, and in the fourth one, this is the key, this is the value. And in the body, you have to do this. Okay, you have to create, you have to paste this in the body. We have to select n8n binary file, and the data is used because our file names are data. What we are doing here, we are converting, we want to convert these images into binary file so that the Gemini can analyze what kind of images we have received. We cannot insert images directly. So first we have to convert these images into binary file. Okay, got it? So here the output come, and the images has been uploaded actively on the server. See, active uploaded. You can see the JSON here. The three images are uploaded on the server, and in the next step, what we will do, it has organized again the file URL and the type of the image in the server. Okay, see, the now the server has been uploaded. There is a big difference between this and this. In this, we have extracted the images from the URL in the N8N workflow, but in this node, we have extracted the image from the URL in the server, because the Gemini, we want Gemini to analyze image and URL separately. This is the core case. Okay, so what you have to do here, you have to do manual mapping. You have to use file URI. We want to extract two things, that is the file URL and the type of image. So you have to do file URI, you have to keep it string, and you can use file URI like that here. And from that, again, you have to add another parameter, that is meme type. It's kind of, it's describing the type of the image. So you have to upload this input, or sorry, meme type, where it is, where it is. Oh, okay, yeah, I found it. This is, so you have to just paste this image over here. Okay, so right now what we have done up to here, we have uploaded our products, we have separated the URL and the images in N8 and workflow. We saw our images, that how it's either they are executed well or not. We have uploaded that image on the server, and then we got our images and URL separated inside the server. Okay, don't worry about it. The workflow, the worksheet, the entire this workflow will be available in the description. You can download it and you can import it into your own workflow. Okay, so the next step, when we uploaded the images on the server, what we have to do, we have to analyze the images. So for that, we have used OpenAI Analyzer Image Node. Okay, we have to use OpenAI Analyzer Image Node. This is the OpenAI, and here, from here, you can see that we will see this analyze image. Okay, so when we will use this image, when we will use this node, it will analyze all our three images. See, the first one was gold chain necklace, then the second one was Ray-Ban glasses, and the third one was perfume bottle design. Setting was pretty very simple. You have to connect your API account. It's from the OpenAI ground. You can select your API key, openai.com, and from here you can got your key. Let me show you from where you get your key. API platform. This is the platforms for the login, and from here you can get your API keys. Okay, so API references. This is the authentication. This is the authorization key, and from here you can found your API keys. This is the URL. When you use your open API key, all the documentation will be shown here. And this is the default project. Create project. Yeah, you have to create the project. You have to create your n8n, for example. And when you will create the project, then you can get your API key. Okay, I'm not finding it. Admin API keys. Where are the API keys? Dashboard. Let me show you where are the API keys. I'm not finding it. Yeah, API keys. This is the API keys. Oh, this is create a new secret API key. And when you will click here, you have to copy. The window will pop up, and you have to copy this API key somewhere else, because this is the only time you could see your API key. None other than that, you cannot see your API key. Neither you will use it. Okay, so it's better to copy this API key. So here you will paste your API key. Once you will connected the account here, you will paste your API key, and when you will save, the account will be connected to your OpenAI background. You have to use image as a resource, analyze image, GPT-4 or mini, explain. This is the prompt text image for the users. Briefly explain what this image is about in under 5 words. Okay, input image type, we are putting the image URLs, and the URL we have to select this URL file URI over there, so it can analyze three type of URLs. If you will uh, paste only one URL over there, it can analyze only one URL. Okay, so you will do one test step, it will come. Okay, on the next step, again, OpenAI chat model has been used. Chat model. Okay, this was the basic message came from the previous node, and in this node you have to connect your API account again. This time it was a text, because we want to generate a detailed prompt for these images. Okay, so you will do message a model. You want to ask something from the OpenAI, so you have to select message a model, and from there you can use the model that is GPT-4 or GPT-4.5. And this is the prompt that I have created, the detail in-depth prompt. This is the prompt that I have created for our, for our products. So how you can convert those product into AI product photography. If you have simple product, how you can convert into product photography. Okay, so this prompt is being generated. This is for the system, and the prompted here is the description json.content. This is the box by user. What I am giving that here is the description, and that I have paste this thing over there. So I am telling the OpenAI that these are my products, like these are the description of short description of my products. So what he will do, it will generate all these short form of description into the longer prompt. That's how it generated. Okay, so in the next step we will use HTTP request. What it will do, this is a very crucial and very technical step. You have to you have to convey all these prompts to the Gemini server, and enable Gemini to produce a product photographs of those images that we have already uploaded on the Gemini. Okay, so you have to use post. You have to select your the Gemini 2.0 model. This is the API key you have to use. Where you will get it, you will come over there. This is the get code. I will provide the link as well, don't worry about that. This is the this is the file uploading key, and you have to create get API key. And when you will this is the when you will come, you will select get API key, and this is the URL you have to use. Okay, so where you can get your API key, you can get your API key from down over there. This is the API key you have created. And if you didn't created your API key, you have to come over the cloud console. Let me show you briefly how to create. You have to come over their cloud API console, and first you have to come APIs and services, enable API and services, and from there the window will pop up. And oh, sorry, this is not the platform, this is API library. First you have to come over library, and here you have to select Gemini. Okay, Gemini API. You have to select this Gemini API, and you have to toggle it enable. Okay, it will disable over there for your, I have already enabled it, so the manage will come. Okay, so when you will do, when the manage will come, then you have to come again, credentials. You have to select create credential, and you have to select OpenAI. A form will appear. You have to insert the basic details, and when you will insert the basic details, the API key will show it in the end. Okay, I have already created, so I'm not going to create another API key. So it's very easy, I have shown it to you. And once you will the enable the API key, when you will submit the form, this window will appear, and see your API key 1 created on 19 March, yesterday. And if I want to show, this is my API key. Okay, so I will delete it after this video. It's a secret thing. Copy somewhere else so that you can don't have to you don't have to forget these things. Okay, okay, so once you will done with your API key, you have to select this API key at the end of the URL, and where you got the URL. The URL I already show you that this URL came from this Google AI Studio. See, here are the URL is the Gemini API key. You have to replace your API key by this. Okay, so you have to use field below. This is a specific header parameter, content type, application JSON is a content. I'm selecting this, and it's the body. You have to select raw. You have to type application JSON, and this is the command that I have selected. I will be given, I will paste all this command in the description. Okay, so when you will test it up, the all data will be shown. I am not downloading it, I will show you directly in the next node, because it's too heavy. It's 3.5 MB data. So the step has been executed. In the next step, we will, this all data is in the form of binary, so we have to convert this data into images. So what we will do, we will use convert to file, moving base 64 string to file. And this is the you have to use this command over there. This is simply coding command. I will paste it, and we will, what we do, we want ready images. And just look at this, boom, this was my chain, and the image I got over there. Okay, select the next image, just look at that. And the third one, wow, it's really nice. So this is what I got. And when you will run again and again, you will got all the products from that you have uploaded in this file. So this is all about the workflow. I hope you will enjoy the video. If you want to ask anything, drop your comment, I will be happy to assist you.